And normally I would let this sit, but we're on a time constraint. I would put it in the fridge and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, but we're not doing that today. So now we're going to this cookie dough is not working the way it should because it needed to sit. Shoot.
I'm going to learn.
But we're going to make it work. We're going to roll it up. Into a messy little ball. Like that. Ooh, messy little ball.
It looks like Blackberry cookie.
It kind of will be, in a sense. I would let this sit, but we're going to pop this monstrosity into the oven for 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Maybe a little less, I don't know, because I've never made this before. And we're done.
By the way, happy 4th of July,
That's
said by Nora.